Do you want to learn SEO Audit? Well, here's 7 best SEO Audit courses online, free plus paid. First course, SEO Audit Beginner to Pro by Udemy. This course is for all levels. Here you will learn pro SEO strategy to improve your website and rank in Google through manually SEO audit report. Further, it will help you in finding perfect keywords, backlinks, best strategy, Google indexing and much more. Topics covered in this course are WordPress, SEO, search engine optimization, SEO audit. After getting enrolled, you will learn WordPress complete guide. You will learn SEO on page, off page and complete guide. You can follow best practice to rank on the first page of search engines like Google. You will learn SEO audit report. It will guide you in creating manually step-by-step SEO audit report. You will know WordPress SEO. You will learn Google Search Console. You will learn Google Analytics. You will also know about Yoast SEO plugin. This course is for beginners of SEO audit report. It is for those who want to learn SEO advanced level and also for WordPress interested learners. Second course, SEO Audit Masterclass, Manual SEO Audit by Udemy. This is an intermediate course for technical SEO training. You can learn this course with practical examples and clearer steps. Topics covered in this course are Core Web Vitals, Tools to audit your keywords, Strategies to audit your existing keywords, How to find new keywords opportunities, Keyword mapping and search intent, How to use your keywords, Keyword gap, Keyword cannibalization, SEO-friendly website structure. This course will help you in learning the best SEO strategies and can even practice the best SEO audit. You can learn how to conduct a proper manual SEO audit. Under this course you can identify problems and discover opportunities. This course is for intermediate level, SEO professionals, business owners, chief marketing officers, entrepreneurs and even for HR professionals. Third course, How to do SEO website audit step by step by Udemy. This course is for all levels and focuses on increasing organic traffic and Google ranking. Topics covered in this course are indexation checks, HTTP status codes and redirects, what search engines see, traffic and site speed, structured data and Google Search Console review, power tags and advanced technical SEO, authority checks, bonus section and wrap up. You will be able to find all SEO issues with the website so they can be fixed. You will learn ways to uncover opportunities to improve SEO and increase organic traffic. You will learn step-by-step SEO audit. You will have a greater understanding of SEO. This course is for all levels including website owners, service providers, web developers and for digital marketers. Fourth course, Advanced Search Engine Optimization Strategies by Coursera. This course focuses on increasing site traffic. This course is 100% online with flexible deadlines. Topics covered in this course are: take your website global, make the most of mobile and app SEO, identify metrics to drive performance. This course will help you in learning how to find and fix problems, heighten visibility, improve site architecture and accelerate page load speed within your own website. You can develop engaging strategies to launch a global web marketing campaign. Fifth course, Auditing Conceptual Foundations of Auditing by Coursera. This course is for beginners. It intends to provide an intensive conceptual and applied introduction to auditing in society. This course is flexible so you can reset deadlines according to your schedule. Topics covered in this course are: auditing is a form of assurance, the demand for high-quality auditing, audit risk and materiality, the value of audits. This course will help you in learning auditing and skills. You can also learn how to balance theoretical and practical aspects of auditing. You can learn practical issues, 6th course, Basic Technical SEO Audit for Beginners by WsCube Tech. This free SEO audit course can be found on YouTube. WsCube Tech is a source of learning on YouTube with 1.81 million subscribers. Topics covered in this course are: Technical SEO Audit Basics, Audit Frequency, Tools Required, Using Screaming Frog. 7th course, Semrush Site Audit course by Semrush Academy. This free SEO course is from Semrush Academy. In this course you will learn how to use Semrush Site Audit to its fullest. Topics covered in this course are: hygiene, organization, presentation, page power, security and code, internationalization, performance, reporting. This course will help you in learning how to get the most out of the Semrush Site Audit tool. You will learn to fix issues that prevent your website from ranking high. This course is for beginners as well as for experts in technical SEO. Links of all courses are given in the description box. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.